Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota Highlander. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a 14mm socket, a 64mm oil filter wrench, a torque wrench, and an oil drain pan. Also, have a new oil filter, a fresh crush washer, and about 5 to 6 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic engine oil ready. Don't forget some rags and disposable gloves for a clean job. Now, let's get that old oil out. Safely raise your Highlander using ramps or jack stands on a flat surface. Place your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your 14mm socket, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let the old engine oil drain fully into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and install a new crush washer. With the old oil draining, it's time for the filter. Use your 64mm oil filter wrench to carefully remove the oil filter housing. Take out the old filter element and replace the O-rings with the new ones provided in your filter kit. Install the new filter, then reattach the housing, tightening it to 18 foot-pounds. Finally, pour about 5 to 6 quarts of fresh 5W30 full synthetic engine oil into the filler cap. You're almost done. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Double-check for any leaks around the drain plug and filter housing. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil at a certified recycling facility. Lastly, reset your Highlander's oil maintenance reminder light, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.